So, can you guess where we are?
Welcome to Disney Springs!
So, they just launched a new merch line. I don't even know what it is. You sent me a picture and I couldn't even see it.
And they had Disney Cruise Line stuff here at the co-op.
And the M&M store.
That's right. So we are here for an adventure to show you guys the newest things. Hopefully you like it. Because I'm really excited about the Disney Cruise Line stuff.
Oh yeah, I am too.
I'm pretty sure I'm going to get something.
Probably. It always does. No, but if you are new, hello, hi, and welcome. Welcome to our channel.
Thanks for clicking on us and checking us out. Hopefully stay with us and watch the entirety of the video. Don't forget to subscribe. If you can share with your family and friends.
Yeah, and if you do subscribe, hit that bell notification so you guys can be notified when we do post videos, which is right now Tuesday and Thursday. But we're trying to open it up to more. But we really do hope you enjoy this video, guys.
Yes.
So we're on the prowl for anything new. They do have a new line for summer, but we got stopped because they have Mickey's Runaway Railway lounge fly bag, and they even have a wallet. That's pretty nifty. That's so cool. That's so cool. They even have springtime ears. These are new to us. They may not be new to you, but they're new to us. That's pretty cool too. I was about to walk away and Amber found these ears that light up, and they're probably for Frozen. They're pretty cool too. And these two. So for all you cat moms out here, they came out with more stuff. They got a wallet. They got socks.
Umbrella.
An umbrella. They got a lot of stuff. They got some dog stuff, but boo for dogs. Look at. We got that one for Echo. They got a shirt and sweats. Well, with June coming up, they've already starting to put out their Pride stuff. They got their book bag. They got a kid's shirt. They got a Mickey. They even have a Minnie. A lounge fly bag. They got infant clothes. Jacket, sweatpants. Another shirt, hat. They got blanket, and they even got the Mouseketeer ears. They even have a little mini bag too over there if I want to see it. And on the back side they have a keychain and pins and lanyard and stuff. They have a lot of stuff. They even have stuff for your animal. That's cool. If you can't cruise, they bring the cruise to you. Look at this, guys. A whole little area for Disney Cruise Line. It's in the co-op over here at Disney Springs, and we are going to head in because this is huge. So we're going to have a special announcement probably coming in June if we can get what we want. But look at this. This is all Castaway Cay stuff. They got a big old floppy hat. This is so cool, guys. We've only been on one Disney cruise, and it was amazing. They have Sailor Mini stuff right here. Holy cow. And then you can even have a sailor dress, match with your daughter. The theming is amazing. I like hats, but it's hard to find good hats nowadays.
Wow.
They even have a journal and a magnet. Alright, it's official. That's a bottle opener. It's official. They need to open up the cruise lines. Oh, it's a shot glass. That's cool. And look at this. I wouldn't even put a picture in here, guys. This is perfect the way it is. It's a Spirit Jersey Disney Cruise Line. And the front has the logo as well. And they have a blue one similar to that. And then they have this one up here as well.
Oh no, I don't like yellow.
That one's pretty cool too. And as we're walking out, we find a new lounge fly, and it is Sailor Mini. She's not in her captain gown yet because they haven't released it yet.
But she looks so cute. And it's rose gold.
That's cool. Uh-oh, I think we're buying this. I think we're buying it. You'll see later if we do or not. So one of the newest items that they have more at Magic Kingdom right now, is this summer line, which is palm leaves and plates and bowls, serving plates, all kitchen stuff right now. But there's more. There's shirts and everything else at Magic Kingdom. Small little sneak peek, but this stuff's pretty cool. To go back to our cat theme, you have ears, and then you have this dress. Maybe I should buy this for Amber. Maybe she won't know. But look at this dress. It's so cool. It has like the kitties and everything. The Disney kitties. And to go back to our other theme of the Runaway Railway, they have a dress.
And then look at the little touch.
I know, it's like picnic style.
Like, yeah, because they went on a picnic. That's so cute.
Stinking Disney. Here's the dress on a mannequin.
With the...
Oh, it even has the little poofy stuff. I don't know what it's called.
petticoat.
Petticoat. But look at this thing. It even has like little fish bones and stuff. It's so cool. Oh, and here's that dress on too. That looks cool.
I like it. But look at the detail on the sleeve and stuff.
I know.
That's adorable too. Oh, it has pockets.
It has pockets, everybody. Alert the press.
Women love pockets.
Oh my god, they even have the tornado scene. Wow.
Yeah, they have like every scene in there.
And the beach scene.
Underwater.
Oh my.
That's so cute. Oh, then look at where the ice cream rubber.
Oh yeah. And then I don't remember the balloon scene. Must be in the carnival.
It's a carnival.
Oh yeah, okay, I remember now. Wow. Guys, so here is the shirt for the summer line. You have your flip flops. Look at those ears. I already have a feeling that I'll be sending a line to buy these in a minute. Look at this sweatshirt. Oh, and it's thin. Holy cow, it's thin.
Perfect for Florida.
They even have shorts, a bag, a beach bag. It says Aloha on it. Look at that shirt. Wow. Alright, we're over here at the Frontera Cocina Mexicana restaurant. You do have to do your QR code to get the food, but this place, we've eaten here a couple times. We really like it. It's really good food. So the menu is all virtual. So you have your cocktails, and then you have your starters, which they have all that good stuff. All right. So this is not how it typically comes out. I don't like any of their stuff. I don't like beans. So they brought me out 2 helpings of rice. But this is the carne asada entree. And it comes with corn tortillas and everything else. It's marinated for 24 hours and it looks amazing. And it's 10 ounces vice the carne asada tacos, which is only 6 ounces.
I got chicken tacos. And habanero sauce is extra. It is pretty spicy and hot, but it's great. Look at that. Looks so dang good.
Alright, sorry if it's a little loud. They just sat down at a table of like 15 people. Mine is amazing. We kind of ran out of tortillas towards the end, so I'm eating it plain, which is just as good. For plain rice, it has to be the most seasoned rice I've ever had in my life. It is like citrusy, it is salty, it is perfect. Perfect. So we made over here to Disney style after we just ate dinner. And look at this stuff. They have the Mickey Mouse Club shirt for Pride Month. Desk plate. And that's pretty much it for now. Located in between the NBA experience and Splitsville is the newly opened M&M store here at Disney Springs. We're gonna go in and have some fun. So you get smacked right dab in the middle, right when you walk in, with this M&M Mickey celebration stuff. They even had Mickey and Minnie on the M&Ms. Holy cow. Holy cow, here's all the Disney merch for the M&Ms. Wow. They have a cup. Doesn't look insulated.
$17?
No, it's not.
This is for like water.
You even have a beach towel. Holy cow. Oh, no, that's just a blanket. That's yeah, it's a throw. All these shirts. I'm liking it. Coffee mug. They got a lot of cool stuff. For the person that never wears socks, she's always finding them. And look, they even have Pride Month M&M stuff. And even a butterfly with minis and teddy bear. Oh, look at those shirts. That's cool. You know, you're not gonna be able to hear Amber because the mic's not facing her. But have you ever gone to a place and you're like, you know what? I really want a 4-pack of bottled M&Ms.
I mean, sometimes.
Check it out. You can do exactly that. $4 for $35. And you can get all the fixins. They have mint, they have caramel, they have coffee nut, they got peanut, they got regular, they got all. And you just put them in a little carrying case. That's so cool. Amber's dream has come true. So if you have someone in your family that loves M&Ms, you can actually make a whole bunch of different personal items. You can do a bottle, you can do a heart, you can do a lot of different things. That's pretty cool. You just come over here and just get whatever kind, whatever flavor they like and go from there. So did you know that M&Ms were the first candy in space?
In 1981.
We weren't even born yet. We gotta quit meeting like this.
But this is us. This is what we do.
So we were setting up to do a outro, and right when we hit record, I don't know if it's a prom group, I don't know what, but like probably about 50 people, I'm not even making this up, about 50 people all decked out in like skirts and this and that, just come down like, yeah, so we'll just go into the car.
We'll do our usual.
So I know it's kind of a hit and miss video. They do have a lot of different things out. They're ending the spring line, they're bringing in the summer line, which is pretty cool with the palm trees.
Yeah, the store at Co-op was freaking amazing.
They have, I think,
a lot of Disney Cruise Line stuff.
Oh my god, yeah. And then last year they didn't really have a lot of Pride Month stuff. This time they have a ton. So
that's cool. But at World of Disney they had the Pride stuff. They had it at Disney Style.
They did. They even had some at the M&M store. They had a lot of stuff.
Yeah, it's
so
really
they
cool.
are, and that of course is next month.
So hopefully you guys go check that out, support, or just go see the new stuff. It's really cool that they have. Speaking of the Disney Cruise Line stuff, you want to see what I got?
Oh yeah.
Bow, bow, bow.
So you got the mini, Sailor Mini, or Cruising Mini.
It says "Let's Sail Away," free as the sea, Disney Cruise Line.
She really wanted to anchor, and she got 2 with anchors.
But look at the rose gold, like, extra stuff. It's so cute.
Yeah.
And how much was it?
With your cast member discount.
So it's originally priced at $75.
And it was a total of $69 or $60.
It's not focusing. There, yay! I'm excited. Hopefully you guys see me wearing it. But you guys should go check it out, like just to even walk about and stuff and see all the new things that are happening. It's really cool.
Yeah, and you can tell when the parks are kind of dying down because everybody's here.
Yes, so guys, definitely come back.
Yeah.
And eat there. I mean, we didn't even have a reservation and we got to
But it was
sit
also
down right away.
4:30, 5 o'clock. Well, Frontera was great. We've been there a few times. I know this is Frontera. Yeah, we've gone there twice before, and it was really good.
I'm glad I got the tacos this time. It was so good with the chicken.
Yeah.
Because usually I get the chicken enchiladas, but it was really, really good. I know that I didn't get to say my part in it because it got really loud with the large group.
Yeah.
But it was really good. The beans were okay. I'm not too big of a beans kind of girl. But the guacamole was amazing. Chicken was amazing. That hot sauce was hot. Like at first, like, oh, it's sweet. And then like a second later, like, my mouth is on fire.
The carne asada was really good. It had lemony, garlicky. It was really flavored. Like I said in the video, or when we were there, the rice, even though it was plain, was seasoned on point. Oh, it was so good. Sorry for the long outro. We really do appreciate all you guys' love and support.
Yeah, don't forget to tag us in all of our social media. We're very active on Instagram. I'm getting better with TikTok. We started our Twitter. Hopefully that helps out too. You guys can email us. You guys can shout us out. Tag us in a whole bunch of stuff if you'd like. Or if you want us to go try out or think we'd like it, post on our social media.
Yeah, for sure.
If you see us in the parks, come say hi.
Yeah.
Come ride with us.
Well, guys, thank you so much, and we really do appreciate everything you guys do for us.
Yes, thank you for getting us to where we are.
And we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.
Bye.